everyone, and welcome to Huawei OptiXLive. I'm your host, Musia. It's our great honor to have Jean-Luc Lemmens, Telecom Business Unit Director of IDATE. Thank you for being with us, Jean-Luc.
It's a pleasure for me to be with you today.
So my first question is, what are the challenges of fiber network deployment?
For FTTH operator, the key challenge is the last couple of meters between the active element of the network and the final households. In between, ODN equipment is a key element to make this connection a success. Today, in many European countries, we know that the failure at connecting the final households can be up to 20, even 30%, because this last couple of meters meet a specific challenge. So basically, having an ODN equipment which allow a smoother connection is critical for the commercial success of FTTH.
So what is the development trend of the fiber optical networks in the future?
We can clearly see that equipment manufacturers are proposing new generation of ODN equipment. Those new features that are proposed in ODN equipment are basically twofold. The first is the pre-connection technology that allow a smoother and easier connection. And on the other side, it's the digitalization of the ODN network that allow an easier troubleshooting and basically management, which is much more easier in order to detect failure and also to better serve the final customer. So this pre-connection on one side and the digitalization on the other side basically offer a new type of service compared, I would say, to the traditional ODN equipment that basically help the operators at better serving their clients and therefore improving their revenue and reducing the churn.
Thank you, Jean-Luc. So what is your advice to the operators?
Pre-connection and failure identification is key in terms of allowing a smoother and a better deployment. So basically, when it comes to considering those new technologies, operators should balance on one side what is the investment to be made with those new technologies versus the benefits that will result from a higher penetration of their FTTH service and basically serving more customers, and in the same times, the reduced churn due to better failure management. So basically, operators should investigate and carefully calculating the benefits and the cost of those solutions. I mean, there are several equipment manufacturers that are offering this kind of new services. And on your side, obviously, Huawei is offering this quick and digital ODN solution that perfectly meets the requirement that we were talking about pre-connection and failure management.
Thank you so much, Jean-Luc, for sharing your great insights about ODN. And thank you so much for joining us. This brings us to the end of today's Huawei OptiXLive. And thank you so much for watching.